Hey guys, Coach Mike here with your Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to go over some quick setup suggestions on basic movements in the gym. Getting set up for a box assisted pull-up, we want to make sure our forearm is about halfway up that pole on that rig, so we have good extension and drop. When setting yourself up on the Echo Bike, you want to make sure that seat height places your knee just about at parallel or below. Ever wonder what below parallel, at parallel, or above parallel looks like? Let's check it out. Below parallel. At parallel.